Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we protect your money by exposing shady websites and fake products. Today, we're diving into a website that's been catching the attention of many collectors, cultneo.com, claiming to sell adorable Labubu toys at huge discounts. But is this deal too good to be true? Let's find out. So first, what exactly is Cultneo? It's a website that promotes itself as a go-to platform for exclusive toy collectibles like Labubu, Molly, and Demu at super low prices. Sounds like a collector's paradise, right? But wait, once you start digging deeper, things get sketchy. Let's talk red flags. First, the website design looks generic and rushed. No real branding. Second, they list items like limited edition Labubu toys for prices that are way below the market rate, like 70% off. That's a common scam tactic to lure in bargain hunters. Third, there's no social media presence, and the About Us page is vague and unprofessional. Also, did you notice their contact email? It's a free Gmail account, not a company domain. A legit business wouldn't use that. We also searched for customer reviews and complaints. And guess what? Multiple users reported placing orders and never receiving their toys. Some said they got cheap knockoffs, while others got tracking numbers that never updated. And in most cases, there was zero response from customer support when people tried to ask for refunds. Sounds like a classic dropshipping or scam site setup, doesn't it? So, is cultneo.com a legit site for buying Labubu toys? Absolutely not. From the suspicious pricing, poor customer support, fake-looking website, and no legit reviews, it checks off almost every scam indicator we've seen before. If you love collectible toys like Labubu, always go through verified sellers, official Pop Mart outlets, or trusted resellers on platforms like eBay with buyer protection. So friends, beware of websites like cultneo.com, because not every cute toy ad is as innocent as it looks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and share this with someone who's a Labubu fan. Let's keep our wallets safe together. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and stay scam-free. Thank you.